washed the skillet in the creek down there in the spring. And now I'm going to put some olive oil in there to season it before we cook in it. I always use olive oil in a glass jar, and this is a cold press single origin. It means all the olive oil comes from a single origin, and because a lot of the places buy all over the world and then they mix it together. So you want to make sure it comes from a single origin. So I really like this brand. That really good. Ready. Now we're ready.
I cut it 3 months ago. I don't have a clue. And season, it takes a year. This here's the secret sipping sauce, and it is teriyaki sauce with cut about half and half with Greek, Italian type of Greek and Italian. Greek dressing.
You ready for these?
So we're going to put a little bit of that on there that my brother Brian's going to pop the... We've let that vegetable cook for, how long do you think, Brian?
Probably
10 minutes.
10 minutes or so.
So, but if you put your mushrooms on too early, they go to nothing. We'll zap a little bit more. You want to pop a little more salt on them?
Yeah.
I think so, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, those mushrooms will need a little bit of salt.
Oh, with some salt?
Yeah. I'll put a little more salt too, I guess it's just salt up there. In the dictionary, you look up the word P-U-R-D-Y,
Heard it.
it says swine.
Swine.
It used to say candy, but them days are gone.
Nuh-uh.
That's Tammy, she's 30, that's why they smoke ball. P-U-R-D-Y. Yes, I am from Alabama.
Alabama.
Hey, I'm proud of it.
Hey, I like it. Alabama's great, man.
It is,
It's
man.
gorgeous. The north part of it is, I mean, literally beautiful.
Yeah, that's where I'm from, North Alabama.
There's so many little hidden gems. Like you get out in nature up there. That,
I want to, if I was, my back, when, of course I'm healed,
yeah,
in Jesus' name, but I want to go over there and do that Jericho wall.
Oh yeah.
But I've been told that it's extremely
Have you been?
I have. It's years though. It has been. I need to go back.